Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start the presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my team. My name is Erie Tricahyo, and my teammate is Karina. In this project, our title is Bookstore UI UX using Flutter. Then let's go to the presentation. Before we go any further, I would like to explain what the tools we use on this project. We use two tools on this project, which is Flutter and Visual Studio Code as our code supporting development. First is, what is Flutter? Flutter is an open source UI software development that created by Google. It is used to develop application for Android, iOS, Windows, and many other OS. Then, what is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a source code editor that includes support for debugging and embedded Git control and GitHub. And of course, the source code is free and open source as well. That is the number one reason.
So this is our homepage. As we can see, we can scroll it down and scroll up. And for few more books, in bestseller section, we can swipe to the right and swipe to the left. In new book hotlist, we can do it the same. Swipe to the right and swipe to the left. And if user want to search more books, they can click search icon right here. And if the user already find their books, they just need to click the picture of the books, for example this one, and it will appear the book poster, the title, the author of the books, ratings, the genre, language, age rate, the information about the book like plot summary and reviews, and there's price tag too. And if the user want to buy this book, they can click this button right here, and of course they can remove it too. And if the user like this book but don't want to buy it like right now, they can add this book to their waiting list or favorite list like that. And if the user want to share this link page to another app, user need to click this icon right here. And if the user phone rotating like this, our book app page will do the same like the phone screen goes to. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.